Hey guys, as promised, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the battery test results of iOS 11.3 versus 11.2.5. And here are some of the results. So first, from left to right, you're looking at the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 8, and then iPhone 10 on the very right. And that's going to be all the Plus models. So the first device to die on iOS 11.2.5, it's going to be the iPhone 7 with 4 hours and 15 minutes. Now the iPhone 6S Plus was next, then followed by the iPhone 8 with 5 hours and 30 minutes, and then the iPhone 6 with 5 hours and 35, and lastly, the iPhone 10 with 6 hours and 30 minutes. And of course, all the settings on all of these devices are identical. The same task will perform on all devices. So now let's go ahead and take a look at iOS 11.3 and see the performance on that. Again, from left to right, iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 8, and iPhone 10. Now this is going to be all the Plus models. So the first device to die on iOS 11.3 is going to be the iPhone 6S Plus, then followed by the iPhone 7, then the iPhone 8, the iPhone 6 coming in at 5 hours and 50 minutes, which is a little bit interesting there, and then we have it lastly the iPhone 10 with 7 hours and 10 minutes. It looks like iOS 11.3 did improve the battery performance on the iPhone 6. That means an extra 15 minutes of on-screen time. The iPhone 6S plus 20 minutes of extra on-screen time. Then the iPhone 7, we saw 45 minutes. On the iPhone 8, we didn't really see any improvement, but the iPhone 10 saw an extra 40 minutes of on-screen time. So there you guys have it. Those are going to be the results for the battery test of iOS 11.3 versus 11.2.5. All devices saw an improvement by a few minutes or so, except the iPhone 8, but it didn't lose any performance either. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.